This is by far my favorite mouse pad I've ever seen. It's an Excel cheat sheet, basically, and it even comes with stretching and desk exercises. And if you know me, I love stretching and staying active while sitting at the computer. Thank you to the seller for sending this to us in exchange for a video. As always, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. So this has a million different shortcuts on here. You've got editing selections, all the ways to do that. Table, chart, object, navigation, Excel tricks. I mean, this would have come in handy so many times. I'm sure that even an experienced Excel user would find something useful on here. Oh, and by the way, yes, it is a fantastic mouse pad. Very soft, very smooth, lovely.